Hello and welcome back to Techstride. Today, we've got some exciting news to share with you. If you're dreaming of a job that allows you to work from anywhere in the world and you don't have any prior experience, you're in for a treat. We've scoured the internet to bring you the top 5 remote jobs that require no experience at all. So, grab a notepad and pen because you're going to want to take notes on these incredible opportunities. Number 1. Virtual Assistant. Our first remote job on the list is the role of a virtual assistant. Many businesses and entrepreneurs are constantly on the lookout for talented individuals who can help them manage their daily tasks. As a virtual assistant, you'll be responsible for things like scheduling appointments, answering emails, and even managing social media accounts. The best part, no prior experience is required. You just need to be organized, detail-oriented, and ready to dive in. Number 2. Online content creator. Are you passionate about creating content? Whether it's writing, graphic design, or even video production, there's a demand for online content creators. You can start a blog, a YouTube channel, or freelance your skills for various clients. The beauty of this job is that your creativity is your experience. So if you've got a knack for storytelling or a talent for creating eye-catching visuals, this could be your dream job. Number 3. Data entry specialist. Next up, we have the role of a data entry specialist. This job involves inputting data into spreadsheets or databases. It's a great entry-level position for those who are detail-oriented and comfortable working with computers. Many companies offer remote data entry positions, and they're often willing to train candidates who have no prior experience. It's a fantastic way to get your foot in the door. Number 4. Online customer support. Customer support is crucial for businesses, and they're increasingly offering remote positions. As an online customer support representative, you'll be assisting customers via email, chat, or phone. The key here is excellent communication skills and a willingness to help. Companies provide training, so you don't need prior experience in customer service to get started. Number 5. Freelance writing. Last but not least, we have freelance writing. If you have a way with words, this one's for you. Many websites, blogs, and publications are constantly in need of fresh content. You can start by pitching your ideas or applying for freelance writing gigs on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Writing samples and a passion for storytelling are your best qualifications. And there you have it, folks. 5 fantastic remote job opportunities that require no prior experience. Whether you're looking for a change of career or just starting out in the workforce, these options offer you the flexibility to work from anywhere in the world. So, don't wait. Start exploring these opportunities today and turn your dream of working remotely into a reality. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.